Thank you, Debbie. Big love to you. Real fast, I live and work in this beautiful city, and I'm so grateful to be part of this experience. And as I watch these operators do their gig day in, day out, I realize it's not the city, it's not the views, it's not the hills, but it's that magic with that badge they wear that kind of draws people in and fills them up with the magic. And it's something that I like to call, I don't know, like a San Francisco uptown funk.
Scotty Bastable.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent, gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Got a police and a fireman, I'm too hot. Like a dragon wanna retire, man, I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot. And my band bought that break, break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some nigga in it. Take a sip, sign the check. Julio, get the stretch. Right to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, we gon' show out. Smoother than a fresh drop skipping. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. And my band bought that break, break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Before we leave, let me tell you a little something. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Dance, jump on it. If you sunset and flown it. If you freak out and own it. Don't bring it down, come show me. Come on, dance, jump on it. If you sunset and flown it. Well, it's Saturday night, we in the spot. Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch.
Scotty Bastable, ladies and gentlemen.